Hello, readers, and thank you for joining me for another phonics lesson. We are on lesson number 3 of the sound. And we know there's lots of ways to make the sound, but the two we're looking at this week are spelled with a C or a CE. Not even an S there, but we still say the sound. Now, if you want to know how to make this sound, and I've had some students who've said that, they turn it into a digraph when it's not, but they say that, but make sure you look at the picture here. This is how your mouth should look. You put the tip of your tongue just behind your teeth, but don't touch the top of your mouth because you want to let the air go out, and then you just blow. And it is not voice, so if you make the sound, you will not feel the vibration in your throat. Now, because it's spelled C or CE, most students, when they see a C, they think of the K sound. And that's understandable. That's probably the sound it makes the most. However, I do want to make sure we know when do we say K and when do we say S. And here's the rules. C makes the sound. Some people call that a soft C. If it's followed by the letters E, I, or Y. This sound is known as the soft C sound, and you can see it right here in the word bicycle. I know there's two C's there, but the first one says S. It's followed by a Y. C makes the K sound if it's followed by the letters A, O, or U, or a consonant at the end of a word. And we see that right here on the word cat. That C is followed by an A, so it says the K sound. That second C in bicycle also makes the K sound. It's followed by a consonant at the end of a word. That's why in the word bicycle, you have two different C sounds. And there's other words too that do that. So we're going to practice blending some words with the sound spelled C or CE. Then we're going to review some sounds we've learned already this year. And then it's time to race the teacher. I wonder who can read the words the fastest. Honestly, I hope it's you. All right, let's get started. Let's sound some words out for practice to get us warmed up. Sound. S. Sound. I. Put that together. Sit. Put that together. Sit. E. City. If you live in the city, you might see lots of people living close to each other, and you might see big, tall buildings there sometimes too. In the country, you wouldn't see that. Sound. F. Sound. I. Put that together. Fin. Put that together. Fins. Fence. You might build a fence around your yard so your dog won't get away. Sound. R. Sound. I. Put that together. Rice. Rice. You might have rice for dinner one night. Sound. D. Sound. Eh. Put that together. Dan. Put that together. Dance. Dance. You might dance every time you hear music playing. Some people like to do that. Let's go over all of our sounds we've learned already this year. Make these sounds with me, please. Full. Nd. Burr. St. Fur. Purr. Th. Or voiced. The. S. R. A. O. O. E. O. All right. You ready to race the teacher? Let's get started. Pace. Force. Mice. bounce, price, bounce, sell, voice, center, choice, circus, practice, sense, chance, bicycle, peace. And that's our last one. Did you beat me? I hope so. Guys, thanks for joining me for our lessons this week on the sound spelled C or CE. Until next time, happy reading.